You don't need more time. You need better use of time. You don't need more books. You need consistently with one page at a time. You don't need to perfect English. You need daily practice. There is a simple method, powerful, practical, and life changing if you stay loyal to it. It is called the 50-30-15 method. 15 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at lunch, 15 minutes at the end of the day. That's it. Simple. The simple things done every day change lives completely. Let's start with the morning. 15 minutes in the morning is not just study time, it is foundation time.